Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to my channel. It's Jelly Trades or Jelly Trades the Market, and I quickly want to show you guys a nice trade that I took today on November 2nd. This is a 1 minute chart. So yeah, I'm gonna talk about the AMD cycle accumulation, manipulation, distribution. If you guys want like a full tutorial, TT Trades has a or T Trades. I call him TT. I'm dyslexic. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry, T. But T Trades, he has a good video out. You guys should watch that. But I'm gonna give a quick summary of this live trade. More go into specifics of how I predicted this because you can go on my Twitter right now. So it's 10 o'clock right here. I said before it happens, and we have over here a relatively equal highs. We're going to the chart. We just grabbed sell side liquidity. We grabbed sell side right here. So this is accumulation right here, right? We can see that price is stuck inside this range and just chopping around. We'll go into the charts and see what happened. So here we have the sell side liquidity. We also denoted this price right here. So what I was looking for today was a nice little like drop into an imbalance. So if you guys check on the 1 hour right here, we have this little imbalance, little mini imbalance right here that we dropped into. And why did I choose this imbalance? I'll show you guys right here. So extend this to the right background. Just make it like this. All right, cool. So why I chose this imbalance was because from the leg would be right here. So this will be the highs. So around 50%, the imbalance that's right above 50%. Also we had a 4 hour imbalance. I was also looking for a price to key off of. So there was this imbalance. I was looking for price to go. And basically when price was just chilling, like this is exactly what was happening. Like this is 9:30 right here, right? So 9:30, look what price is doing right there. It's just consolidating 9:35, consolidating. Like all of this is just consolidating between this high. So we're in a consolidation right here. So you can put from here this low to this high. This will be our accumulation phase. Devices, so can't really see, you know what I'm saying? So we have the accumulation right here, and then we have price coming down, creating a manipulation below this low. And if market opens at 9:30, market open, ICT kill zone starts at 8:30, obviously. But from 8:30, let's say the price is right here, 8:30. Let's make this nice and big for the blind folks. So 8:30. What is price doing after 8:30? Until let's say 10 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. Price is obviously consolidating, right? So price is consolidating. We have also on the daily, and I'm sorry I'm jumping. I just want to make sure that you guys got everything that we literally touched this to the T. We touched this line to the T. And we'll go down to you'll see. Look, that line. We touched it to the T. We barely grabbed any liquidity. That's why I was still bullish. Because we barely grabbed any liquidity. And on the 5 minute, we made relatively equal highs. Right here, relatively equal highs, REH. So on the 1 minute, price is in a accumulation right here. And we also go into another accumulation right here. Look at this. This is 9:45, 9:45, 9:55. Look at that. This is volatile hour. Like this is the time of day where if you don't trade NQ, this is very volatile times. So price is consolidating. I was like, bro, I was telling my boy, and I was like, yo, it might be a range day, it might be a consolidation until lunchtime. Because the theory is if you have a consolidation right after a huge run up like this, everyone who is a buyer here is going to stick their stops in the consolidation lows. So price comes and manipulates down. Look at all this sell side liquidity right under this imbalance on the 1 hour. All that sell side liquidity under an imbalance right here. 15-minute, just so you can see, you know, we're consolidating here, not really doing much. And then we drop. So when we drop, we go right into this imbalance. And I was actually trying to be a buyer right here. In this wick, I wanted this to come and make a fair value gap. It did. It made a very small fair value gap. I probably should have been buying right on this candle coming all the way down, because I was literally trying to find a buy right here. I was literally trying to find a buy right here. It would have been a great trade. Could have put your stop right here at the swing low, and it would have been a, you know, 1 to 4. But the market ended up moving against me, moving away. And if you guys haven't seen in my videos, I have a order block theory just straight from 2022, not anything that I made. So it's all from 2022 ICT mentorship. And he talks about right here. We'll go back to the image. We'll go back to my screenshot. This is my trading journal right here. You can see. Boom. We went down. You know, we have this order block right here. This is my entry. This is my 2 positions came in right there, selling above the relatively equal highs. And as you can see, price makes this huge fair value gap impulse move up. So, you know, me wanting to get into the market, obviously, because I want this draw. I know where price is going. I know we want to come more above this daily swing high instead of a little touch like this, because this little touch, you know, we're talking about daily, right? All right, just to put it in perspective, right? We're talking about a daily level, or even on the 1 hour level. Look, we're talking about a 1 hour level. You really think we're gonna fall off of a 1 hour level with this little amount? No, it needs something like this for a daily. The tomorrow is gonna be down. We all know that. Yes, you could use this nice little catalyst if it takes that high. If it takes this new day opening gap, if it takes that high, you're shorting that shit, bro. You're shorting that shit. Look at this. Look exactly where we're going. There's an imbalance right here. The only imbalance in a premium range is no other imbalance. How we react to this imbalance will determine if we're going to this monthly high or if we're going to crash down lower. And look at the speed of this. So we want to see a nice little drop, a sudden drop. Is Friday. Obviously, we had some big news. But let's see what happens, you know. But anyways, going back to the point, this is not holding, you know what I'm saying? Like, it could drop lower and then come back up, but this is just reinstating resistance, retail logic. So people over here selling, they're selling, you know what I'm saying? They found this, oh, resistance, oh, swing high, oh, they're selling. Breakout traders selling, putting their stops right here. This is exactly what you want to be targeting, guys. Exactly what you want to be targeting. You know what I'm saying? And like, look at this. Look at another accumulation right here. See that? All that accumulation right there? Accumulating. Boom, drop, ran. So accumulation, this is the manipulation. And I don't know what's up with this manipulation. And then we have the rally right here. Rally 25. So boom, this is AMD right here. And it perfectly played out right in the relatively equal highs. Going right back into this 1 hour. So I knew the structure, the AMD structure. I knew that there, you know, check 10 o'clock. I knew this is accumulation. I knew that there was drop here. If you check right here, oh, I deleted it, but I knew there was the imbalance here. I was trying to be a buyer here. And then we have this huge run up, impulse run up, fair value gap left. This is a market structure shift. You know, obviously the market structure is already bullish, but you know, if you see this setup down here, you would be entering off this order block, off this, you know, off this fair value gap, off discount right here, discount 50% from here to here. You know, it's 3 repeater arrays you want to stack. Yeah, man, we got a lot of stuff here. We got a lot of stuff. So yeah, this is the order block theory. A little spice of that is you know, 3 candles equals a 3-minute order block right here. I'm just guessing, right? There's a 3-minute order block, a huge spike up, came back, touched it. Look at the respects. barely any drawdown, and I was just holding it. I took my first partial here because in reality, we could just drop. We could. We have to preserve our money that we made, and there's nothing wrong with that, you know. So, and then I took my final partial right here. So if you guys like this video and if you learned something about accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution, I call it rally, it's easier because it's rallying time. But yeah, this pops out a lot, man. This pops out a lot. Like oops, my screen just went crazy. Like today on the 1 minute, oh my god, this is just going straight up, man. Yeah, I can't even fucking find this. Believe. Yeah, it was right here. We have like this insane accumulation right here. And I was trying to be a seller right here. Like, you know, just quick sell, bring it over here. Look at that relatively equal lows. We're targeting that tomorrow, bro. We're targeting that. But yeah, I hope you guys learned something. And if you guys want to check out my Twitter, is my Twitter. You could see, look, I had my bias was played out on October 16. So right here, I was like, yeah, price moved and filled in balance, discount level. You know, we could see where this led, October 16. You know, not trying to stun or whatever, man. You know, but nice drop. I was basically saying like, here we have we're in discount. We filled the imbalance in discount. We actually touched into here. We touched in there. Notice that this is a failure swing, so and not a swing high. So a swing high, there's really not that much liquidity that's resting right here. There's liquidity resting up here. But there's really not that much liquidity resting over on the failure swings. But people do grab them, you know, there's still a target to grab, obviously. A failure swing, especially with the imbalance. So we touched it. We didn't really need a like you can't really consider this a double top unless it's like a swing pattern, you know, a swing pattern like this. This is a double top right here. Or a double bottom, sorry. Bottom. Right there. Boom, boom. You see that's a swing low, swing low. That's a double bottom. You can't really consider this a double top. So it's really the only resting liquidity here is this basically a swing high. People are sellers, daily traders, they put it there. Swing traders, they put their shit there. But yeah, we predicted that drop to that swing to that double bottom. So right now in like a pretty key level, and just to sprinkle a little bit of daily bias, how we react off of this imbalance is gonna tell us everything. So like we got a nice close. We could come and take this high. We could grab for this failure swing. Key off of this. We can key off of this this order block right here. And sorry guys, my parents just came into the door. You know, Dominican parents, I don't really care if you're talking or recording a video, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. Follow me on Twitter. We can chat or whatever, what you guys want to do. But yeah, I'll be willing to do some classes or something for free if you guys are down, if you guys need help and stuff like that. I'm mainly doing 2022, but I'll sprinkle in some ICT 30-second charts if you guys are interested in that. But yeah, have a good time and stay safe and killing these markets, man. Remember to journal and remember to, you know, do some meditation. Make sure you're not FOMOing because you know I had those times, you know. Yeah, and we finally funded, so yeah, let's get it. Have a good one, guys.